I've been waiting for some good weather to do this. Finally got a decent day. Well, I built my wood-fired water heater. Put my corn cobs in there. Yeah. Put that little cedar in there. Cedar's kind of green or something. It don't catch up like I ought to. Don't seem like to me. Get out my bar stick thing here. There you go. There goes the corn cob. Really? Well, there it is. Had a bunch of them big old hickory blocks, old green hickory, and stacked them up around there, and then I chinked it with dirt. And they won't never catch on fire. It take them too long. Don't have to have a fire in it that long to get the water hot. But it'll be. I've used it before, so I know it works. Now you can put that block right there, and you can move it over and back, turn your heat up and down, and if you need it to draw more to get it started, you put that on there and scoot it over where you stop that hole up a little bit, and it draws harder, and it'll see how the smoke's coming out faster up yonder now. You cover this hole up a little bit, and it'll burn faster. See there? Yeah. There's how you fill it up. I put me a big old well bowl in there. adapted it down to a smaller pipe, and then adapted this down to, went to Lowe's and got one of them things that'll fit on a garden hose, where you can screw a garden hose on it. And got me a cut off right there. I'll go over here and turn the water on. Girls, what y'all doing? You're gonna get around there and get your feathers on fire, and you'll have a mess. Well, I gotta find me a washer to go in there. I gotta find a fitting to go in this hole right here to put me a hose on there to where I can fill up my washing machine with it. What I'll do every time before I get ready to build a fire is I'll just take the hose and wet these blocks down, and they won't ever burn. Oh, I'll make me a little ditch here to get rid of some of this water. Over here and dig, chicken. I don't ever have nothing new to work with. Old junk always tears up on you and leaks and everything else. Eventually get it done. I don't recommend y'all do that. I done that one day and it blew a 5-gallon can. Pull them out of my hand. Like to blow my arm off. It'd be better if you had some concrete blocks and stack them up. Wouldn't have to worry about them burning or nothing. I need a clamp, but I can't find one. So I just had to make me one out of this wire. It'll hold it. It ain't gonna have that much pressure on it no how. Get the thing started. Smoke out of my ass. Sorry pair of ice grips that's ever been stamped out in China or Japan one. I don't know which. That beaver had probably hold him pretty tight. Yeah. See, I got me one of these things right here. Put on a water heater. And one of them pop off things in case it builds up too much pressure, it'll blow that off and it won't blow the tank up. This is an old water tank off of a camper, and works all right. I think it's about a 20 gallon, maybe 25, something like that. But you can heat it up and take 3 or 4 showers out of it. Everybody can take a shower. But It'd be best if you had some metal pipe coming on out here away from this heat. But best thing to do would be to get you an old water heater. If you get you an old water heater with the outside still on it and the insulation and everything, and cut you out a strip of the metal about like from here to here for you to put down there for your fire to go against, leave your insulation and your cover and all still on it. And that way it'd be insulated good. It'd have this already on it. It'd have all your hookups and everything already on it. All you'd have to do is just get you some PVC pipe, hook onto it, take off, and you hook a water hose onto here. And I'm doing this with the water hose off the house there, but I used to have it hooked up. I had one of the little 12-volt water pumps and a 55-gallon barrel where I caught my rainwater in, and then I'd pump that little 12-volt water pump would run the water in here and then push the hot water out just like it does in the house to where you want to go. And whenever you turned your water off while the pump quit pumping, it'd build up pressure and your pump quit pumping, and it was just fine. And take about 45 minutes for it to heat up hot enough to take a bath in or wash dishes, something like that. See, it's hot now. You couldn't take a bath in there now. I've been farting around here for about an hour. You couldn't take a bath in that, it's too hot. But I'm gonna wash clothes. So, anyway, there it is. Look at here. Hot. It's steam. There we go. Filling up the old washing machine. Gonna wash me some clothes. That steam coming off there? That's hot. It cost me nothing.